Hey guys, Kirsten here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Behind me there is a 2020 Ram 1500 Sport, so let's take a peek. So in this one it has the blacked out badging, the color match bumpers with the park sensors built right in. It does have the Sport hood, and then underneath there's the 5.7 liter HEMI. So this one does have the 22-inch rims, the Sport mirrors, proximity entry on both front door handles. It also has the power running boards that open when you open the door. So this one does have the blacked out badging, the color match bumpers with the rear park sensors built right in, your 4 and 7 pin wiring, your hitch receiver, the backup camera is built right into your handle. It does have the soft open tailgate, the spray-in bed liner on a 5.7 box. So this one does have the full leather heated and cooled seats, the heated steering wheel. You do have the 12-inch screen on this one that does have the navigation as well as your backup camera you can access right here. You can deploy the steps just at the easy push of a button here. It does have a panoramic sunroof, tons of storage with your 2 center consoles. As well, this piece is totally customizable. You do have the 2 glove boxes. And this one, because it has the Sport mirrors, they are power folding. Nice, easy push of a button. So this one is a crew cab. You have tons of space back here. You do have the cup holders that are in your flip down armrest. These seats do flip up for tons of storage underneath. There is additional storage if you want to flip this piece out, or it tucks nice and flat. There is the storage underneath the floor mats, as well as a 115 volt plug-in, a couple USBs back here, and tons of storage in behind the seats. If you want to see 30+ pictures and pricing of this vehicle, click the link below. If you're interested in any other vehicle on the lot, give us a call, 780-942-3629.